Here is how to change from Gemini to Google Assistant quickly. So first, you need to open your system settings on your phone, scroll down and select Google. Now go to the tab of All Services, scroll down and select the option of Search, Assistant and Voice. From this page, you need to go ahead and select the Google Assistant option, or you can also go to the Gemini. Now scroll down, tap on Digital Assistants from Google. And here you can select between Gemini and Google Assistant. Select Google Assistant, select Switch from the bottom, and you'll be done. If you come back, you can go through the settings of Google and set it according to your preference. And now the Google Assistant will open instead of Gemini and it will assist you. So that's it. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. We'll see you again in the next one.